Most of the people, they think to run a grocery business is an easy thing. Grocery doesn't have much profit. Yes, you can saw people are buying, but there is no profit on grocery because you want to have expensive, you are using your transport to go and buy that grocery, or you want to pay rent at that place. So it is going to be difficult as black people to run a grocery business, because when you are selling cooking oil for 45 rand, maybe 3 rand or 5 rand is your profit. So Somalians, they have got skills how they stock their stocks. They stock in bulk. As black people, we can't be united as Indians and Somalians. Indians are on group, they are on group of 10, of 20, so they can go to those industries and stock that stock on bulk so they can see a profit. But as black people, we are not united and say we can stock the stock in bulk. So it is going to be difficult for many people, because black people, when you are selling things, we want half profit. When you brought that fish oil or maize meal with 40 rand, you want to sell it 80 rand, you want half profit. That's why most of the people are going to Indians than black people. So it is going to be difficult. Indians, they don't care if they get 5 rand profit. You know that those people who are selling at schools, they are buying stocks, those things of to sell at schools to Indians and the Somalians. So those things, if they get 5 rand profit each, they don't care, because they are selling things in packets. When they stock in bulk, they sell it in packets. But as black people, it's difficult. It's difficult, guys. We failed long time ago to do those, to buy and sell as Somalians and Indians. Indians, they know, guys, how to run their business. Even white people. That's why you see white people now in South Africa, they don't have those shops for grocery. White people, they don't run a shop without getting more profit. White people, they want more profits as us black people. But Indians, Ethiopians, Somalians, they don't care even to get that small profit. So it is going to be difficult. Even you look at those shops, white people are selling like Spar, okay, you can see their things are not the same price as Indians are selling. Maybe in Spar you can see a thing be sold 70 rand, but Indians 55 rand. You understand it. So it is going to be difficult, guys. It's not easy to run a grocery shop.